Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can instantly compare two files, two text files, just from the command line. Now, in order to do it, just simply open command prompt as the administrator on a system. Just simply type cmd and run it as administrator. If you won't run it as administrator, it will also work, but it may cause some errors for you later on. Now, here you have to write FC, that stands for file comparer. And for example, if you have a file one, that is for example, let me just name it some file one uh, with a space, and type the another file name with its extension. Now it will compare this file text to this file text and give me all the differences. And here you need to write the exact file name of your file of which you want to compare to the second file, and write the second file name as well correctly. And when you hit enter, currently it will say it won't be able to file because no such file exists. It is just an example, but it will work for you if you write the correct file name. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.